Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video, learn English for beginners. Body parts. Let's continue. 82nd lesson. New words. Fair. Fair sex. Fair play. Fair. Fair sex. Fair play. Started crying. Started to cry. Started crying. Started to cry. To give. He has given us. I have given you. To give. He has given us. I have given you. To smile. He smiled. I smiled. To smile. He smiled. I smiled. Proud. He's proud. Proud parents. Proud. He's proud. Proud parents. Head. Hair. Teeth. Head. Hair. Teeth. Ears. Mouth. Ears. Mouth. Simple dialogue.
Michael, let's go to the Metropolitan Opera and see a show.
Did you like the previous show?
No, but nature has given us ears which are always open.
It's fair. But nature has given us a mouth which it is often better to keep shut.
It's not fair.
Let's repeat previous lessons.
My car doesn't work.
You're lucky. I haven't got one.
Did you learn irregular verbs in 3 days?
No, my teacher doesn't ask me to learn irregular verbs in 3 days, but only to repeat them when I meet them.
Second wave. 25th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon for another video.